Greetings, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showcasing the project I have been working on in this course, which is Software Engineering Sessional. My project was to create a seamless attendance management system, which is named AttendEase. These are two separate panels, one for the student, one for the teacher. First of all, I am gonna discuss about the teacher panel. A teacher has to go through some registration process. By doing that, he has to pull his full name, select the department, and put his mail and a password. So already I have created an account. That's why I am not creating another account to create multiple instances. So I am already logging with the credentials I already have. This is the login screen. Actually, it's blurred because for the security reasons, it's automatically blurred in my preview. I have given the mail and the password. I have given that. So I'll be logging in here. Here is the teacher's dashboard. When a teacher will log in, he or she will see the initial dashboard like that. First of all, teacher can see his faculty profile, his basic details, and today's class schedules. If he didn't made any schedules for today, it will not show some create buttons or create a schedule button. First of all, a teacher has to manage some courses. If he haven't do any if he don't have any courses, he has to add courses. So by clicking on the create new course, I can create a course, assuming I am creating the compiler course. The course code anything random can be 3108. I'll be the Department of CSE. It will be the summer and the academic year of 2025. Description, I'm just putting some random text here. I'll be creating a course. By that course, this is the course I have currently created. I have some options here like to edit the courses, and I can do some delete some courses. And this is the button when I can show this QR code is currently not functional for joining a courses. So the teacher has to provide by clicking simply on the copy code. He can easily paste it anywhere he wants. So he will distribute this code to the CR of a section. By doing that, a student can log in from a student can join from them. I'll be demonstrate that on my mobile app version. So this is the course. I have created a course. After that, I can go back to the dashboard and I'll be trying to make a schedule for like it's 3rd of June. So I'll be creating a course, something like compiler. Course title compiler. It will be automatically pulled. We can change something, anything to make it easier. So don't know. Its starting time will be 9 a.m. and ending time will be 10:30 a.m. So I'll be selecting the classroom. It's like 205, and I'm currently not enabling the attendance. I'll be doing it later. So I'll be saving here. I have taken sure that I do not override at the same time at the same room. So if I choose another course like microprocessor same time, if I put the same room, I'll be given a prompt that this slot has already been booked. So I have to put it on a separate room or a separate time zone like 208. I've created some courses for that. So this is my course schedule has been created. I can easily enable the attendance by doing that, and I can easily delete one of my schedule course if I need it. By doing that, this is the schedule management actually. And if a teacher logs in first time when he comes to the office, he will see that this is his schedule, that this class he has to take. After that, a teacher will come to the class, and he will show that the attendance. This is the QR code section where we will be enabling the attendance systems actually. Here is we don't have any student currently now. Compiler course. If we don't have any student, no one will be present. I can do enable attendance or disable attendance by scanning this QR code. Student will be able to mark themselves present. I'll be demonstrating it soon. If a teacher enable and disables it, the code for the attendance or the URL, this URL generates automatically in real time. If I click it full screen to normal screen, the changes will be also be there. So it is impossible if you send this picture to someone and someone else from the class outside makes the attendance from outside the class, because by clicking simply on the close screen, it will change after a few on every click. So after every click, the previous QR code will not be valid. So by sharing the QR code to others won't make any changes. This is basically current task for the teacher. For the student, I have to do some something from the app side. Here is the app preview of my screen. I'll be emulating my devices. Here is the AttendEase app I have already extracted. I have to show something to simulate an error phase that I have currently this ID device, this device ID binded to my account. By doing that, if I have anything valid credentials that I know, this 04 at the rate of gmail.com and the password is 123456. I have made it for test cases. You can see that if someone has some valid credentials but the device is not associated with that individual users, we cannot log into the account. So every user has to log in through their app. So by doing that, we cannot just easily switch account or make anyone else present smart. I have taken some check marks there. There is some sign up process on every sign up for first install of the device. The device, a new device ID will be registered here. This is the sign up process. The necessary information will need to be there. So I have valid login details for that. So I'll be doing this so that I can log in. Sorry, my device is currently disconnected for some time. I'll be doing some rechecks. Sorry for the inconvenience. My device has been registered. So as you can see, I have already logged in to my account. So as we have the course here, we can see we have the course currently just created the course. It has something, the copy code, the joining code like that. If we copied it from here and try to paste it, nope, so we have to manually type it. This is I have to manually type it because I am copying it from a different source. On the phone, if the teacher passes through the social media or anything from the sphere, they can easily copy paste it. So here is the joining code, the 33HYHF. By that we can search, and here is the course found compiler instructor. This is currently based on my name as I have created the account. The department CC, and so if I join that course, I have a success alert that I have joined this course. By doing that, I can see that which course I have already enrolled. You can see that I have recently entered the compiler course, and by clicking on that, I can see an individual calendar preview that that the schedules of how many days I have attended or not. So as you can see, if I go to the home screen, I'll be prompted that I have a class today, and this is the compiler course, the compiler class, its time and the room, who is the instructor, and is the attendance enabled or not. So if a teacher ensures that he just disable the attendance, and if a student load that space same time, you will see that the attendance is disabled. If the attendance is disabled, the marking attendance won't be work. So that's also a double security check to ensure that if we just close the QR code from the teacher side, no one else can be attend. So attendance must have to be enabled to mark myself attend. So I am currently doing something to provide an example now that how I'm gonna assign. A teacher has to log into his app, log in through the website. He has to come which class he wants to take the attendance. He has the attendance records, how many students are total there, their name, and currently they are absent or not. And if a teacher enables that, here is the QR code generated. The teacher, if it's quite bit tough to scan the QR code from this side, a teacher can easily show it on the full screen. And from the Visor app, sorry, my emulation is doing something mess with me. That's why a bit problem is happening. So currently I have to see that my attendance is enabled. If I have to mark myself attend, as I am previewing the display, so I can mark myself attend. I have to preview I have to mark myself attend. For that, I have to scan the QR code. Sorry. That you have already marked for the attendance. Sorry, I haven't. The preview must be when the prompt appeared. That's why it went disabled. Okay, not a problem. I'll be demonstrating something like that. Here is not the previous one. So it is also disabled. So currently, if I enable it and from the app, I mark myself attend again, you can see that I am not registered for this course now because it's a different course which I am currently not registered yet. So for that, I have to register myself first. Just have to, for the demonstration purpose. This is the code I've been working, so I'll be doing something for that. I'll be joining a course currently, JPNMHQ. I'll be searching that. I have joined a course. Okay, so now I should supposed to make myself attendant on that specific courses. Okay, so if a student now he sees I don't have this schedule, so I have the schedule for today's class. So I have recently joined a course, so if a student refreshes his home page, he will see that another course and also it is attendant. So if I mark myself, the teacher has to come to the room and he will show this code to the projector screen. He has to mark it full. After that, if a student just comes and mark his attendance, and your attendance have been marked, and there is no chance I can mark myself twice. That if I scan the same code for the same course, it's a different code, but you have already marked attendance for this class. By doing that, I have got attended on this class. So if I check that recently I have a microprocessor course that I have marked myself attendant, and if I see that there was a previous schedule for that, I can make sure that there is a schedule, managed class schedule, that yesterday it's 2 of June that there was a class, but I was not attend on that, but I have attended that on the 3rd of June. That's why my 3rd of June is green mark and the red mark for the attendance. And I have currently 2 schedules. That's why my 50% attendance has been there. If my schedule goes up, it will be automatically count my everything, count the total average of my attendance system. So when a teacher comes to the class, show this the current students which they have right now joined, it will be marked like they're present or not and their present time when they attended the class. By doing that, this is basically the attendance process. After that, a month later, the teacher can view the attendance report that all codes are like the microprocessor codes and the June, which update if anyone was present or not, someone is present or not. By doing that, he can easily export an XLS file for a monthly basis, which I can see that the day they have present is marked as 1, the day they is not present is marked as 0, and same for the other one. By this, it continues to a monthly basis. This is totally or the overall summary of my project. I am not well will manage to give a presentation or demonstration like my project. I have never done this before, that's why I'm a bit nervous. So this is the overall project I have to show. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to make this project happen and keep ourselves pushing. Thanks for everything, sir. Assalamu alaikum.